Now, let me tell you the agreement between Kelvin Taylor and the NDC. From the close source, Damager Kelvin Taylor Okadobeye on the paper on agreement with the NDC with Mahama. On your there.
Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana in Sem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching. Ebusuafo abranti a obekase o kire se ono on support NPP na on support NDC but ohwe eye His Excellency John Dramani Mahama promises or promise during the campaign time and sema o kai say obeboa Ghana youth or the 24-hour economy ba just say eniema His Excellency John Dramani Mahama kanya inti anam so Ghana for koto aba ede ema no na oko 2 years Ghana ye hu hwe na esign say omuntumi omuniama nti omode so omukehiri na omode akwakosi eye omo vice president Kelvin Taylor so then your tele platform so edi Ghana for mpanifo atem titru pa any former president eye Kufuor de na yetwa apia esina no edina na pe edina tema na pe wi ayumbre no eye Ghana fo bebre ahomete na branti kire se enam santi no ohun obi a oye very close to eye Kelvin Taylor and one ne di nkomo na branti kire se Kelvin Taylor de oye yina no ewom se Ghana fo yin anim se eye your friend say bribe and a waji and a face of propaganda and a oye but ne woman Ghana for ye ni say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and Kelvin Taylor echo apam omo echo agreement na agreement ne say Kelvin Taylor etimi Defame eye Vice President Dr. Bawumia ebe ne depa na agreement a Kelvin so and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama koi after say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama then adestrede eto Kelvin Taylor ni me Kelvin Taylor so ka say after everything no also His Excellency John Dramani Mahama e make sure say oba abenma and obeyin say me wo court bia every on tie be sha Kelvin Taylor NDC 5Million no obefa Ghana e court che say ensem e wo hoyi na o clear ni na je say Kelvin Taylor ni ho asem ba ko in court afen so o charge His Excellency John Dramani Mahama $5 million choppable US. I am not surprised. And I brand in some work and no credit do because tell me, identity and a former president wabe di Ghana so abe boa Ghana say otini baby odwe no ho odwe no president ko for odwe no ho onke bi shame Kelvin Taylor free he ofi wabe trouble na chesa atem didi Kelvin Taylor ye e friend say attention or person or divert one wouldn't me answer now because say bien some Kelvin Taylor no wakotena ase na wahu say odo Ghana ntino nsema na say nyema president ko 4 year no person be catch Ghana nti say Kelvin Taylor ye na catch ye den president Mahama former president ko fa bebu amembu no kwa akotena fie dedededa orata mills aba sebio nyame fa ne krensie wabewu president Mahama abedi ade asanso abe president akwa asanso aba we be catch ye ne den President Kufuor onti America, onti Canada, onti baby ati Ghana haya. So if you think say some work can you no cry, mon kwache no, you know catch is dey. Huh? Yeah dey. Mo promises omo abebu amembu no ko just last 4 years ya. Last 2 years ya. 2 years in bo mu nyan. Omo ewie sika twitwi di ntimo bechi omo amode ye campaign na Ghana fo nam so ekoto abadema mo no mo ba akra mo ntimi nya hwe current one akra mo ntimi nya hwe na kojo dankati penso ena mo mana ya aso min kwa diviana Kelvin Taylor mana it's obvious send this ya membu na agye munsem ena mo pese mo shift ye na attention so ye no yetim ye beka ensema John Dramani Mahama ka kire ye obai oh who left from the right no and just say in some prison and they be can move be move because they never ko bi yenti ensema branti e de etudwa
Na your blogger. Aye Juma as I'm NDC Mwaba power. Wintu Mwama we defame NPP na Bawumia for the NDC to come to power. What can you account for now? the NDC what no was our money. What can you account for? Nothing. Now let me tell you the agreement between Kelvin Taylor and the NDC. From the close source, Damager Kelvin Taylor Okado on the paper on agreement with the NDC with Mahama. On your there. Defame Bawumia and the NPP government to lose. Now, these are his conditions. 1. NDC for power charges are what the board in Yinano. NDC for make sure the wife will cancel all the charges. NDC for Oba power way. That is the reason why into our Oba Ghana. Now the charges need now Obo. If you don't know, you know. 2. Or charge NDC $5 million. $5 million, which have been paid to him. Just to sit behind a camera, defame somebody. $5 million. Now, blogger now, etihona, eshisharoba left and right, trying your best to defame NPP government. Abadzi in the NPP for no why NDC for no why amo. 3. Ne bread and our friend Joe na mebe kan ho asem there. Or engagement last month ma Franka Mwakoine or baby no. On an end is for appointing him obey. Joe no buffer stock. From a taxi driver, according to the agreement, Kelvin Taylor had one fan in Shebibia, or a very juicy, no what they call buffer stock. No, so that be buffer stock they pet to one fan called MPA. One man in very good position with a car, which is 4x4. That has been done. Again, won't see Danny Mame fully finished. One son won't see hostel with UCC one for man. Na the medano ne mama na ne papa we did you. That building is still ongoing. Maybe so our young blogger. Before the 2024 election. At the camera see when him. A year day. A Defame NDC, NPP. A Defame Bawumia. About no what Kelvin Taylor why $5 million actually go to go. Yeah. What $5 million? I'm an hour and taxpayers money. That's a go to come. Now see Rebecca. What is happening? E being a sebi. And wana been wo from kakrano. Wa about DM. Now about comment session. Wabaka mwasa. But you see, I don't blame you people because Mahama Nankasa or Sigana for Nankasa akushino wope. When he be the akushiachere one, it the akushiachere one eba power na ye nepe. On also sang chano ho ba there. Ghana for your loss of retentive memory. Enkashi. We could cruiska $5 million. But that money pack up. Kelvin Taylor. Ebium. Nche anasansa ni issue no. Nche ete. Okay, agreement no. No paskai. Anasansa yanka wadene kwashe. National Health Insurance. Or then go can board for one. Okay, agreement I Kelvin NDC for one year quiet. And or Pascal. I wait the NDC chief for so many years. What can you hit on your chest to say that, oh, Akosia Menu, Uncle Call, as I mean your part in money? But say, if you bano back can acquire natural one, no was attempt the D of that whole but share on the comment section. The human already am in this, the conditions. Apart from Anasansa and the Pascal, in Kani Nara has been sorted. What about you? Useless blogger. What about you?
Abusianfo Kelvin Taylor de wadidi atem ama atem didi amen no na menwo no na mesoso no so na sabi enwane mprako na omuhye nachi ema ne didi adefo atem no omu na mene omanya every so omu nim nyansa omu nnasumie so na so omu yobi omu da no omu da sumie so a enkomu ma amanyo emeyefo ema Kelvin Taylor entimi enye tumi eni di enintinifo atem sede wope ne emehye nachi ema na nyesa me ka kire mu nwan no enwan ne mponche na motete Kelvin Taylor achi ema ne didi adefo atem ne se munyai na emoa mo piao
Abusafo me chiao baby a video we eba wanim bia pacho me de osurabofo din esra o se nya to boase na tie video no kwose awieye na tie asem na me ka na se ansa na wo comment bia wetimi atworo hwe Ghana won Ghana fo ho there were very big problem kase pa wo Ghana ha na problem ye woni nyina eye ya adwen mu enye o man we na sika ni mu enye ye mpani mfo no munim ne yekọ ana se bia boni bi ne aye obi na o punish ye ya problem ha Ghana fo ni nyina ne de ye kom ni nyina ya adwen we need to have a recycle of our mind. Okay? President John Dramani Mahama ama Ghana fo ni meguase. President John Dramani Mahama wa man Ghana fo ni meguase. I tell you. President John Dramani Mahama mi akasa mi president. Wa be ye vice president for 4 years. Wa be ye president for 4 years. Ye ba mu governance mu experience a. President John Dramani Mahama currently obi enu wo sa experience ni chen papa yi. Papa yi tena efie for 8 good years our position na oil leader of NDC. Our to Ghana for ni nyina tim oni mu problem bi o kaso Ghana nyina otim ni nyina. Promises are President Mama promise Ghana for GDA to abadi man no 1.5 year ni. President ontumi for Feliba akukra. President John Mama ontumi for Feliba akukra. Sisia uye nurse ni na se ufa ka anase uye nurse na ugina kwan na upeka akra na. Obi ampese oyema o lift. Because abana mko 2 ma President Mahama na musi alawane yaje. Abano ye nko 2 ma kufado ye be toma President Mahama no. Obi obehu nurse ni bia na ni pako no buafu. On say na nurse 4 year demonstration kwa obi adwin ko so obi akra mfi wo. On say the public servant teacher for kasako obi antie obi edi o matem. And then mama man ama teacher for nurse for look stupid in the eyes of Ghanaians simply because President Jomama Ekikan sem de be kire a nurse for ni a teacher for any emebu na wokurum ha say oba baba ye nyame yie ama we all fall into that perceptive ideas no any information or the maye no ama ye di koto aba ama omo a omo ni ye nya adwen omo ni mapani nya adwen that time na ene no omo anya ye nti ene ye ni mu egu ase ewo man mu ha NDC and Mahama o maye Ghana fo ni megu ase ene nipa o company Mahama ni nyina ni megu ase but omuntimi mabontin beka but within them no they are very disappointed ene aura yenti wasem bia gay bill no yenti wasem bia galamsey yenti wasem bia 24-hour economy yentu asembia yebe employment automatically yentu asembia promises Muhammad share Ghana for even including Okadas say yeba Okada yebetimi legalize ambo Okada for ni nyina free ene ko bi say Okada for amane omo femu wa Accra police for chi omo say chi omo 2005 asana ejao ebusiafo President John Mahama with per experience or wapa any abaye ko 2 man no o ma yini megu ase papa yenu yehu o ma yatanfo anya ye papa wa ma bibia ye off okrumu a ekuafo kra esu ene o ma mu ye ekua o areas ni nyina o mu sensi form o ma nu mu se o mu san lie ekoto abadima President Mahama ba you see emre nyanko akire ma catch us video no fie kosi awieye na ohwe wie a ansa na wetimi akomete na ehu se enye NPP ni NDC na meka President on the man Mahama ejidi a yenya wonimu abaye koto ye any experience owo as a vice president as a president before any ena amamu no obu na menua enko yi o ene ye utohwa ye nto inflation ye single digit emra na mo ba be mo first year akwa na inflation nya ma afom kra no iron rods etimi free baby e wona badu 6000 and minu ka say inflation a single digit na mom iron rods na say free 6000 akọ 7500 and 13th May 2026 and now koto iron rods a 7500 meanwhile emra na inflation kwa nya ko 3% no kwa no na mudi motimi di iron rods number 6000 a yetimi koto ko sidan and now koto iron rods akodu 7500 eni mo an na eko inflation su a single digit. And the dollar now usi wati so no dollar no wati so me fa dollar nye hwe omo a mu dollar no omo mo kra ne ma free abrochire ba and no be ko fa de free abrochire ba no do portal AI and a creative price man so nkotua na price no mo twenu times 3 tini ma no di ba ontimi nti so di sa dollar issue no di ba no me den ayama me ndc ni mi amwa me Ghana ni mi amwa me so the dollar and the inflation have not have any effect on me. And local nema wo share your boss obey no. Nye na wo ye. Wa nyi ba kokra. Wo de hwe ade me de boss share wo de share no. Me de betu so. Me de boss share Mahama share Ghana fo no. A ye tie ye ekotu aba no. Hwe sa boss no. Na ye hwe ade na ye message ye me ba. Hwe wo de hwe boss no de tu so no. Na bisa wo se mu ni na wetimi aya na.